Ever wondered how to tackle common skin problems using natural remedies? In today's world, skin problems are as diverse as they are common. We all struggle with issues like dryness, acne, and even premature aging. These problems can be relentless, often leaving us feeling helpless and frustrated. Yet nature has provided us with solutions that are often overlooked. Among these are natural oils, nature's potent elixirs that have been used for centuries to maintain healthy skin. These oils are rich in essential nutrients and fatty acids, offering a wide range of benefits that can help alleviate many skin issues. One oil in particular has been gaining attention for its incredible skincare benefits. This is no ordinary oil, but one that has been praised by both skincare enthusiasts and experts alike. This oil is none other than sweet almond oil. Among these natural oils, sweet almond oil stands out for its remarkable benefits. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the magic of sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, a powerhouse of nutrients, works wonders for your skin. A seemingly simple ingredient, yet it holds a treasure trove of benefits that can transform your skincare regime. Let's start with its moisturizing properties. Sweet almond oil is a natural emollient, meaning it can help your skin retain its moisture. It penetrates deep into your skin's layers, keeping it hydrated and supple. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to a radiant, moisturized glow. But that's not all. Sweet almond oil is also a formidable foe against acne. It's non-comedogenic, which in simpler terms means it won't clog your pores. Instead, it helps to clear out any dirt and sebum, reducing the chances of breakouts. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe and calm acne-prone skin, making it a great addition to your skincare arsenal. And if you're concerned about signs of aging, sweet almond oil might just be your new best friend. It's packed with antioxidants, including vitamins A and E, which can fight off free radicals and slow down the aging process. These nutrients also promote cell regeneration, helping your skin look younger and fresher. In essence, sweet almond oil is a cocktail of skincare goodness. It's a gentle yet effective solution, suitable for all skin types and concerns. Whether you're looking to hydrate your skin, fight acne, or keep those fine lines at bay, sweet almond oil has got you covered. With such impressive benefits, it's clear that sweet almond oil is a natural skincare champion. So, why should sweet almond oil be your go-to natural remedy for skin problems? Let's recap. Sweet almond oil is a jack of all trades for skincare. It's a natural moisturizer, keeping your skin soft and supple. It's also a warrior against acne, helping to keep those pesky breakouts at bay. And let's not forget its anti-aging prowess, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Embrace the magic of sweet almond oil and let your skin experience the best of nature's care.